So to get the best vanilla beans, just visit the sponsor. Like I said, these are thick, sticky, fat, juicy, #1 grade Madagascar beans. They also have a variety of beans from all over the world. You can also contact the sponsor if you need gallons of extract, vanilla paste, or other gourmet vanilla products. So this is what I'm talking about right here. Sticky, the sticky. Let's get into the sticky. Oh yeah, I'm going to put a little on this knife. By the way, this is a Japanese Damascus knife. You can learn more about this on the channel. Just search Japanese Damascus knives and you're going to learn about these things. Really, really nice. This is a Sayaku. Yeah. Sayosaku. Now, look at what I got here. This is full flavor. This is where all the flavor comes from out of the vanilla bean right there. The sticky. That's what you want right there. Let's put it back in. Okay, and we're going to put this beautiful, beautiful bean right into this jar and get this extract going. I do want some of the seed specks to come out. That was one of the reasons why I split it. And it's quite simple. Here we go. Hello, Chef here once again, bringing you some more valuable information and some facts with some of the finer things in life. Wow, Madagascar vanilla bean. Look at that fat, sticky, soft, juicy bean. I'm about to cut it open, but before I do, I want to show you my vanilla bottle. Contains 1, 2, 3, or 4 of those, and it's getting empty. A little bit left there, so it's time to make some more. Of course, a smart chef and or gourmet cook, the clever ones, always makes several bottles at once. Here's a bottle that's been going more than 6 months. The beans are fully fermented now. They've some of the flavors extracted into the liquor, and this is ready to go. This is going to be really good. It's going to be strong. And I make several of these every year. I suggest you do too. Don't be fooled by the garbage in the stores. Doesn't matter where you're shopping, whether it's online or the grocery store or whatever. If the vanilla is $5, $10, or $20 for a bottle, it's imitation vanilla. This bottle's worth $40 to $60 because it's the real deal. I'm going to show you how to make it for just a few bucks. You put a large funnel in the bottle, line up your bottles, drop your beans in. You open your bottle of awesome rum. Oh yeah, look at that. And you pour some in. That's all there is to it. Then we're going to let this sit for at least a few months, minimum few months. I don't fill the bottle all the way. Just leave a little bit off the neck here for fermentation, and also because every now and then you're going to give a little shake. You're going to tip it back and forth. You want those air bubbles to move around the seed specks, which you can already see are coming out of that vanilla bean. Wow, beautiful. Like I said, visit the sponsor, score the best beans you can get. They import them directly. Japanese knives, of course, are there as well. And yeah, the butcher block. Yeah. Update your kitchen. Contact the sponsor for cutting edge blocks as seen on TV. I use a clean white towel. Wipe off any excess oil that's there. This cutting board, like I said, is over 10 years old. A little bit of excess oil. It's over 10 years old and it's just going strong. Love it. So check out your sponsor. They got all these babies on sale. They ship for free. It's the best cutting board you can buy right there. Oh yeah. Blueberries. I like it. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,